Good morning, students. We are studying about political parties. This is chapter 6 of 10th class. We have studied about definition of political parties, functions of political parties, and we have come to know which party is known as national party and which party is known as state party. Then we discussed about some important national parties of the country, in which Indian National Congress, which is the oldest party, which was formed in 1885, was discussed. Then we discussed the ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party. It is having the ideology of Hindutva, and it wants that uniform civil code should be there for all the members, all the citizens of the country. Then we discussed about CPIM. It was founded in 1964 and believed in Marxism and Leninism. Then Communist Party of India, CPI. It was founded in 1925 and it became weak when it was split. Then we studied about Indian National Congress was splitted and NCP was formed. It was formed in 1999. It favors democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice, and federalism. And it wants that high post in the government should be given to the natural born citizens of the country. A major party in Maharashtra, and it has a significant presence in Meghalaya, Manipur, and Assam. And it is a coalition partner of UPA. Now you have to solve the assignment. Write down the questions. What is ideology of Congress Party? Number 2. What is the ideology of BJP? Number 3. When NCP was formed? Number 4. What is ideology of CPIM? Now we will discuss various challenges faced by the political parties, various problems with the political parties. Number 1 is lack of internal democracy. In the political parties, there is no democracy, internal democracy. Parties do not keep membership registers. They do not hold organizational meetings. They do not conduct internal elections regularly. Ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happens inside the party. Those who disagree with the leadership cannot continue in the party. So, this is the most important challenge before the political parties, is that they give importance only to few important, influential, and rich leaders. Ordinary citizen, ordinary member of the party is not given any importance. Next challenge is challenge of dynastic succession. Dynastic succession means when a family continues to hold important position in the party, and it is the most important challenge in India. It is unfair to other members of the party. It is also bad for democracy because most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedures. Sometimes people who do not have experience occupy position of the power. Its example is Gandhi family in Congress is holding most important posts, whether they are having experience or not. So, challenges of dynastic succession is the most important challenge in India. As we have in Uttar Pradesh, the Yadav families, Akhilesh Yadav and his family is holding the most important position. Then we are having growing role of money and muscle power. Leaders want to win the election. They use money and muscle power. There is no moral values in the parties. So during elections, since parties are focused only on winning the elections, they tend to use shortcut methods to win the elections. They tend to nominate those candidates who have and can raise loads of money. In some cases, parties support criminals also. They can win the elections. So, in a democracy, political parties follow the route of money and muscle power. They don't have any moral values for the country. And number fourth challenge is parties do not provide meaningful choice to the voters. In recent years, there has been a decline in the ideological differences among the parties in most part of the world. For example, in Britain, there is little difference between Labour Party and Conservative Party. They agree on more fundamental aspects but differ only on how policies will be made and implemented. In our country, too, differences among all the major parties on the economic policies have reduced. Sometimes people cannot even elect different leaders. So these are the challenges before the political parties. Thank you and have a nice day.